A lot of people think you need expensive software to improve old videos. But what if you could use AI to upscale your videos completely for free? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Waifu2x, one of the most powerful free video enhancement tools available today. We will go step by step from downloading the program to exporting the final video, and I will also share the settings that gave me the best result during testing. So let's get it started. For today's test, I'll be using an RX 97 XT, which surprisingly works very well with the AI models available in this program and renders video quite quickly. To get started, open your browser and search for Waifu2x extension Way. Then open the official GitHub page. GitHub is the official source for this project, so it's the safest place to download the latest version. Scroll down and click on Releases. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and download the Windows executable file. The version number may be different when you're watching this video, but you can identify the correct file by its name and file size. Once the download is complete, right-click the archive and select Extract All. Then click Extract and wait a few moments while the files are unpacked. After that, open the extracted folder and launch the Waifu2x batch file. This will start the program for the first time. Don't be alarmed if the terminal window appears, you won't need to type anything there. So be patient and take your time. Next, choose your preferred language. In my case, I will select English. The program will then automatically perform a compatibility test. This only happens the first time the software is launched. When the test is complete, you can safely close that window. You may also see a message asking if you want to enable hardware accelerated decoding. This can help improve video processing performance, so I definitely recommend selecting Enable. That's the option I'll be using in this tutorial. Don't be intimidated by the interface of this utility. This program includes many advanced options, but today I'll show you only the settings you need to get great results quickly. First, open the Engine Settings tab. Next to Video, select Real Surgeon NCNN Vulkan. This is the AI engine that will be used for video enhancement. We will choose the specific AI model just in a moment. Now click Detect Available GPU ID. This ensures that the program uses your graphics card for processing instead of your processor, which can significantly reduce rendering time. Once that's done, return to the Home tab. Enable Output folder and choose where you want your final video to be saved. Next, change 2D Anime to 3D Real Life. And now for the most important settings. Select the Universal Fast V2 model. During my testing, this model provides the best balance between image quality and processing speed. A 15-second video upscaled from 720p to 4K took approximately 2 minutes to process on my system. The image quality was excellent and I didn't notice any obvious artifacts during testing. If your priority is maximum speed, I will place Omni-Turbo V1.5 in second place. The quality is slightly lower, but rendering can be significantly faster. Now select the video you want to enhance and simply drag it into the program window. As an example, I'll be using one of my 720p videos where I'm speaking directly to the camera. Under Custom Resolution, enter the 4K resolution, more precisely 3840 by 2160. Then click Apply. This will apply the new resolution to the selected video. The remaining settings can be left at their default values. Finally, click Start and wait for the process to finish. The processing time will depend on your hardware, video duration, and selected AI model. If you find this tutorial helpful and would like to support the channel, you can check out my VPN link in the description below. Let's continue with the setup. Once you see the finished message, open the output folder and play the newly upscaled 4K video. Now let's take a closer look at the results. In the first example, I'm speaking directly to the camera. This is a good test because the video contains facial details, skin textures, hair, and different lighting conditions. The AI model restores details very naturally and produces a clean image without introducing noticeable artifacts. If you look closely, you can see that facial features appear slightly sharper while still looking natural. The image also looks cleaner overall without creating the artificial or overly processed look that some AI models can produce. The second example is much more challenging because it contains small objects and fine details, including a screwdriver and disassembled hard drive. Even in this situation, the results looks very good. Small details remain sharp and natural without appearing overly processed. The edges of objects are cleaner and important details are preserved surprisingly well considering the original resolution. In the next example, we're looking at the gameplay footage from Hollow Knight Silksong. The improvement is less noticeable here because the original footage already looks quite good. However, when viewed in 4K, characters' edges and fine details appear slightly cleaner. The difference won't be dramatic, but the image does look a little sharper overall. And finally, we have one of my older Windows tutorials. This is where the difference becomes much easier to see. Text, icons, and other small desktop elements appear noticeably cleaner. In my opinion, desktop recording and tutorials are some of the best use cases for AI videos upscaling because they contain many small details that benefit from higher resolution. If your goal is to improve the readability of older tutorials or screen recording, this type of content can benefit greatly from AI enhancements. Before we finish, I want to briefly talk about the AI models I tested. For most users, I recommend Universal Fast V2. It provides the best balance between image quality and rendering speed during my test. If your main goal is speed, Omni-Turbo V1.5 is also a good option. The quality is slightly lower, but processing time can be much faster. I also tested Real-Surgeon X4 Plus. While it can sometimes provide good results, it was significantly slower on my system and didn't provide enough additional quality to justify the extra rendering time. Just to be clear, it took about 14 minutes to render 15-second video. Of course, your results may vary depending on the type of the video you're working with and of course the model. My conclusions. Overall, I was pleasantly surprised by results. For a free tool, Waifu2x delivers impressive video enhancement quality and offers a wide range of AI models to choose. During my testing, Universal Fast V2 provides the best balance between image quality and processing speed, which is why it became my preferred model. AI upscaling won't magically turn every low-quality video into perfect native 4K footage. Just keep that in mind. However, it can significantly improve clarity and restore small details that are difficult to see in the original video. If you have old videos, gameplay recording, old footage, or some tutorials that you want to restore, then you should definitely give this utility a shot. If you want to see a dedicated comparison between available AI models in this utility, let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please like it. Also, I recommend watching this video if you want to enhance photo for free with AI.